Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hot Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing my Witch's Bounty box for October 2019. I'm very grateful to receive this box. This box was gifted to me from the Witch's Moon. I purchased the other two boxes myself, but this one is a gift. Thank you so much. The reviews, however, are all my own. So, this is my review. This is the mailer it comes in for privacy. Many of you guys have expressed to me that you are in the broom closet, so that will help. I love this little symbol. The moon is my favorite. I can smell it. I smell flowers, but I can't really identify which flower it is. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, I love these, but I always read them last. Well, I guess I should read first so I can tell you guys what the theme is. Flight of the Raven. Oh. Quote the Raven, nevermore. I used to love that when I was a kid. Very beautiful. I also do something that's called arithmancy. And basically, I count birds. They're an omen. Especially crows and ravens. And, you know, however many there are, that's tells you something. But also what they're doing. Ravens are so smart, dude. Alright. I can't identify. I feel like I smell ylang ylang, but I cannot identify. So I got one of these last time. I got like an eggplant color one, like a dark aubergine. I love the way they feel. I love how stretchy they are. This is a really cool little thing. I'm sorry, I got a really weak grip because of my thing, but it's getting better. Okay, I got it. Unfortunately, I'm a little tootie tub, so this fits me like a choker. Which is really cool, but just like not my style. So I'm saving them because someday I will hopefully have a little less neck. But in the interim, I use a rawhide. Alright. They're really nice though. I like it a lot. I got the fuzzy dealy bobs up here. Oh my gosh. Stay put. There we go. We've got the incense. And this doesn't smell like the smell that I'm smelling though. It smells good, but I don't know. I'm smelling like, ooh, what are we? Wow. It's like, wow. Almost reminds me of asphalt, but it's like got a sharp edge here. Cool. What are we looking at? What are we looking at, guys? My doggies are here laying down. We're going to go to Mama's house, and I'm going to film another video, hopefully, of making elderberry syrup. Oh, black candle. And it's got to be the oil. It has got to be the oil. I can smell you. Yes. It's very fragrant. Oh, it's sealed. I don't know why it's so fragrant. Morgan. Ooh. The Morgan. Wow. I've been drawn to this more. I think it's because I'm being drawn to work with the darker aspects of the goddess. And I have never really looked into that because I've always been... I've dabbled in shadow work. But, ooh, it smells so good. Oh wow, I love this smell. But it's not what I'm smelling. My God, what am I smelling? I don't know. Beautiful little box. Ouch, I got an itch in my dang brace. Oh, what are we? Oh my goodness. This reminds me of a totem pole. We were in Alaska last fall, and this looks just like a native bird. beautiful. Wow. Wow. Wow, let me see. Sterling silver pendant. Carved Tektite. Wow. Look at you. It reminds me just exactly of the totem pole in the Pacific Northwest where I live. As we travel into the dark half of the year, we embrace this deep spiritual connections that create the world around us. This sacred season is a time of psychic and vibrational fine-tuning accomplished through divination, spirit guide communication, and interpretation. We truly work to connect with those things that are not seen, but rather felt through energy and emotion. It is often true that the messages we receive through a spiritual and energetic practice are the most transformative and necessary for growth. We have created and sourced the items within this collection to assist you during this beautiful time of the year, in enhancing your psychic sight and allowing you to easily receive messages from your guides. We urge you to take the time that is given to you this dark half of the year as a gift. We urge you to, be fearless and steadfast towards committing to your spiritual growth so that you may carry this power with you throughout the coming years. Yes, I hear you. You guys have been, like, the Witch's Moon boxes really this month have been really speaking to me. I am preparing for ancestral and shadow work. It's coming quicker than I think because I was hoping to work with the dark of the moon, but this will definitely be an asset. Hand-carved Tektite raven skull pendant with cord. This beautiful Tektite raven skull has been hand-carved and capped with 0.925 silver made to fit your specific piece of Tektite perfectly. The raven has been such a strong personification of magic throughout the ages, associated with many gods and goddesses such as Morrigan and Odin. Often represented as the messenger, the raven truly embodies mystery, omens, courage, and shamanism. It is often said that when the raven appears, magic is near. I see ravens all the time. If you so happen to catch a glimpse of the raven during dream work, success may be closer than you think. Energetically, the raven brings us closer to our true potential when working to manifest through spell work and intention setting. This requires wisdom that is found in hidden and secret knowledge that can be passed through the energy of the raven, sent by our guides and ancestors to unveil and interpret. As we work with the raven, we step into higher consciousness, allowing us to learn and maintain enlightenment throughout our practices. We have chosen Tektite to be the carrier of this energy as it brings potent storm energy into your aura and space. Often debated, Tektite is a result of meteorite impacts, often speculated to be either a meteorite itself or a fusion of terrestrial and extraterrestrial material. Similar to Moldavite, this stone carries an enormous ability to raise vibrations, allowing us to communicate more clearly with our internal teacher as well as outside guides. As you meditate with Tektite, visualize your preconceived notions about the world to dissolve, allowing you to travel to a space where your perspective is undiluted and pure. Wow, I'm very excited. Morrigan anointing oil. The great Queen Morrigan has been a prominent goddess energy within our practices, pushing our power and perseverance into our work. Known as foretelling the outcome of war battles, she is often represented as the raven herself. As the goddess of war, she encourages us to move valiantly onward, showing courage and lack of fear. This Morrigan magical oil has been created with the pure intention of bringing the energy of encouragement and fearlessness into your aura and space. Yes, I need this. Use your energy as you work. Use this energy as you work through your divination and shadow rituals as you cultivate your energy each day, allowing this anointing oil to be your companion. Feel the overwhelming connection between you and your divine purpose. Connect with the higher vibrations of your work. So it has lavender, cypress, jasmine, and patchouli, raven magical oil, along with lavender, vervain, and mugwort, and a Lemurian quartz. Wow. High vibration ritual incense sticks. Flight of the Raven spell candle. Intention of helping you communicate with your guides. A Tektite Stone. Oh, this is also Tektite. Wow, look at you. To accompany on your path, we have included a separate Tektite Stone. This stone can be carried with you, placed in your altar, or used during meditation and ritual. And then, of course, the Tektite Goddess Book of Shadows. Beautiful. Wow, I love it. This is a great box, and I really need this kind of support because I do have a lot of fear around certain things, and It's funny because all of the information in here was about the Morgan, which I can, you know, European goddess, and I'm totally interested in her, but what I see is a Pacific Northwest raven totem. That's what I see. That's what you look like to me, dear. Beautiful, beautiful. And I love the symbolism. Wow, I'm really digging this box. This is exactly what I needed. Oh. This is the Witch's Bounty, October 2019. This box normally runs $78 a month. The theme this month was like the Raven and Flight of the Raven specifically, but also like I'm really digging the help, like helping you be brave, helping you do this work, because a lot of the boxes have been saying like, you know, do this work, do this work, do this work. If you guys are watching my channel, you know I've been getting slapped upside the head with the universe saying do this work, but nothing so far has been like, and here's some comfort and here's something to help you. I mean, so here's something to help you with your hang-ups about the work, and that's what I feel like this is. So I'm really excited about that, because it's coming, because it's time, and I'm really excited. So thank you guys for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you so soon. Bye.